Okay, hopefully this is what you answered. The student incorrectly identified the type of function. It is not linear. In fact, we called it other. It is not linear because the first difference is not constant. It is not exponential because it does not have the common ratio. Now, this student recognized that you need to add another column to find the difference. So he should have just labeled it other. Second question, the student did not come up with the correct function. And you can check by substituting 3 into the function. When you substitute 3 in the function, you get 11, which is not the case. If you look at the table, when you put 3 in for x, you should get 29 out. This type of function is actually called quadratic, and that's what we're going to do today. We're going to explore on how to write the explicit for a quadratic function.